Breaking news. Our hero SuperZ is kidnapped in space. He was on a mission to save Earth from enemies and now he is not with us.
Young engineers, something terrible has happened. My best friend SuperZ is missing and I think aliens are behind this. But don't worry, today we will code this story using Scratch. You will learn how to create story title animation, secret message between the sprites, record your own voice and text to speech for the breaking news and events block. बोले तो ये होगा तो क्या होगा. This is the part 1 day 7 of our Scratch beginner series. So let's start coding and find out how RoboNinja will save SuperZ.
So we will design the scene 1, that is the story's title to appear on the screen. So for that we need to set the backdrop, position, size and costume. I need to select my sprite and on that sprite I will start. When the green flag is clicked, I need to set my backdrop. In looks, I will switch my backdrop to the backdrop name is Nebula. Then I will switch my costume. My costume is 1. Now I want my this here. It should come from down. Okay, so the position is something 42 and minus 204. It's here. So this same number will be traced here. I will be picking this. And then I will be setting the size. Now I want when it to start from down, it will be small. So I will be taking the size and setting it to only 10%. Now I want it to repeat it until it reaches here in the center. Like it should be 0. When the Y position is 0, here it should reach. Okay. So I want it to repeat. So you have to take repeat until. Then in operators, you have to select equals. Motion, you have to go and select Y position. When Y position is 0, okay, it will stop. By this time, what is going to happen? Here to here, it should come like this, right? So the size should be changing and even the position. Here Y, when it was down, it was minus 144 suppose. When it is going up, it is minus 89. So it is going upwards, it is getting plus, okay. So I will be saying change Y by 10 and even I want to change the size. So for that I will be writing in the looks change size by 5 and this process I want a little weight to be added. So for that we will be going here in control and here we can write 0.02 seconds. Getting it? And then after it went there, I want it to visible for 1 second and then it should hide. Now when the name is appearing, we should even add some music. When the green flag is clicked, I will go in sounds and I will say play sound this until done. Now let's start and see, is it working the way we want? No. Why? Because I can't see my this thing, the name appearing the title on the screen. Why? Because it is hidden here but I have not shown here. So I will go in looks and I will say show at the start. I want it to switch to the next scene. For switching to the next scene, we use broadcast. Like after 1 second, I will be placing here broadcast. I will be giving a message like start. So this start will be received by any other sprite or a backdrop. Now in the backdrops, I will be adding another backdrop. Bedroom 3. Now here I want now my this backdrop, but I don't want this radio. Instead of that, I want this to be available at the place of radio. So I will just copy it and I will go here on this backdrop and I will paste it. Okay, which I have already done in this backdrop. Okay, now I want my RoboNinja to be sitting on this bed here at this position. Okay, so I need to code it. When the green flag is clicked at the starting, it is hidden. But when the broadcast was done from this sprite, right? Okay, the broadcast start. When this broadcast start was done, at that time, I will say that when I receive this message start, I need my RoboNinja to be visible here. Show. And then I want to set its backdrop, costume, position and size. So here I want the backdrop to be bedroom 3. The costume I want the name is sad and the size I want is 50 and the position I want he to be sitting here. Okay, and this position what I have made here, it's traced here. So I will just drag and drop. Now he is missing his friend, right? So he will say something. So for that we need to record the voice. Okay, so for that we need to go and record here. Oh my friend Super Z, where are you? Now this is my voice, but I will change it.
Oh my friend Super Z, where are you?
Or you can write, oh my friend Super Z, where are you?
Oh my friend Super Z, where are you?
Okay, so it depends, like faster or slower. From here also you can change the voice, or even you can add the pitch and change the voice. Okay, so this is miss you. So I will going here in the sound, play sound, miss you. And when it is playing the sound miss you, I even want it to broadcast the message first and then to play the sound. Now RoboNinja is sending a message, broadcast miss you, and this message is going to receive by the another sprite. We having this costume as receiving the messages miss you. Similarly said that when the green flag is clicked, I need this to be hidden. And when I receive the miss you message, so the same thing we need to set everything like the costume, size, position. So I will just set it sitting together, and the size I will be giving it as 25. After that I will say wait for 2 seconds because he is thinking, so that memory should wait at least for 2 seconds. You need to think everything in your mind and then imagine it and just create it. It's hide, so I need to show it here. After 2 seconds I want it to hide, and then even this sprite will give a broadcast message, that is reporter starts. Like after he remembers this scene, now I want here a reporter to appear and start the breaking news. So I will again give a broadcast message, reporter starts. Now here in this scene, like here for this sprite, okay, I want this sprite, this breaking news to be appear on TV. When the green flag is clicked, even starting, even this should be hidden. When I receive reporter start, it should show, but where to show? So again the same thing, I need to set the reporter position, then the costume, then size and everything. For costume I want the reporter, and the size I will say something 22 or 20. So for the position I need to first see, so the position is traced here, so I will be just going here and setting it the position also. Now what? Now we need to add the extension, that is the text to speech. We have recorded the sound and changed the voice. Now the scratch we are having text to speech extension. So here I will be setting the voice to alto because it's a ladies, alto is for ladies, okay. And the second thing, I will be speaking like here I want this reporter to start breaking news. So whatever I want it to speak, I will just keep on writing it. We can say our hero Super Z is kidnapped in space. As soon as RoboNinja hears it, RoboNinja get into a shock state, right? Create one broadcast message for this sprite also. Here she will say broadcast and like shock. My new message will be shock. RoboNinja receives the shock, so he will get up from this position and he will even change the costume. I will say switch costume to this one, and the position is not here. The position should be somewhere here. I will just set the position also. Now what? She need to say something else too. He was on a mission to save Earth from enemies. So I will say switch costume to front pose, that is my Super Z costume. And then I want like she need to speak about Super Z little more, just to create a curiosity of the news. Who will bring our Super Z back? Is he still alive? Our this reporter sprite will also now broadcast a message. Okay, our story is basically switching the scenes from this to that, and that is done with the help of the broadcast. Reporter sprite will be broadcasting a message, mission, and this mission message will be received by RoboNinja, because obviously RoboNinja need to take some action. My this reporter to hide. When RoboNinja will receive mission, so again when the mission starts, I need to change the backdrop, switch the costume, set the position, change the size. Okay, whatever is required here. Costume I want mission, so my this costume to be appear here. Okay, so I will be saying setting the position as this. After setting the position, you just need to set the sound. Again you can go and record the voice of the RoboNinja. I have already done here, that is
Mission save Super Z. Super Z, I really miss you.
Breaking news. Our hero Super Z is kidnapped in space. He was on a mission to save Earth from enemies. Who will bring our Super Z back? Is he still alive?
Mission save Super Z. So in part 1, we learned that event blocks are like signals. When one sprite calls, other responds. In the next part, I will continue my mission to bring my friend back. So see you in part 2.